Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tia Febrianti with student number 019. Okay, in this video, I want to introduce and advertise a textbook titled Values in English Language Teaching, written by Bill Chanston and published by Lawrence Erlbaum, Associates in 2003. This book is very interesting because it discusses English teaching from a different perspective. It is not only about grammar or teaching techniques, but also about values, morality, and ethics in education. So today, I will explain the summary of the book, its strengths and weakness, and why this book is worth to reading. First, let me give a short summary of the textbook. The title of the book is Values in English Language Teaching. The author is Bill Chanston, and the genre of this book is an academic reference book with around 152 pages. This book is mainly intended for English teachers, student of English education, teacher trainers, and researchers in ELT. The main idea of this book is that teaching English is never natural. Every decision made by teachers reflects values and moral considerations. The book consists of 7 chapters, and the chapters 1 explain that teachers are moral agents. Teachers make moral decisions every day, such as grading students or treating students fairly. And in the chapter 2, it discusses morality in classroom interactions. The author explained that classroom communication reflects values like respect and fairness. And in the chapter 3 focuses on politics in English language teaching. The author says that teaching English is connected to global power and cultural influence. And in the chapter 4, it discusses testing and assessment, especially moral issues in exam like TOEFL and classroom evaluation. And in the chapter 5, talks about teacher identity, including professionalism and teacher-student relationship. In the chapter 6, explain teacher development as a moral process, not only skill development. And last chapter is chapter 7. In the chapter, summarize the moral dilemmas in ELT, emphasizes the importance of moral awareness in teaching. Overall, this book encourages teachers to think critically and reflect on the values behind education. Okay, now let's talk about the strengths of this textbook. The first strength is the topic itself. Most ELT textbooks only discuss methods and teaching strategies, but this book discuss morality, ethics, and values in English teaching. This makes the book different and more meaningful. And the second strength is the realistic example is in the book. For example, the author explained real dilemmas faced by teachers, such as deciding whether to fail a student, even if it could affect the student's future. These examples help readers to connect the theory with real classroom situations. And the third strength is that the book encourages critical thinking, and at the end of each chapter, there are reflection and discussion questions. This question help readers think deeply about their experiences and teaching beliefs. Besides the strengths, this book also has some weakness. The first weakness is the academic language. Some parts of this book are difficult to understand, especially for beginner readers or undergraduate students. And the second weakness is that the book focuses more on theory than practical teaching activities. Readers who won't listen, plans, or classroom games may not find them in this book. And the third weakness is that the discussion can feel heavy and serious because it talks a lot about ethics, politics, and moral dilemmas. So, why this book is worth to reading? First, this book helps teachers become more reflective and responsible educators. And in the second, the book is very relevant for English education students because it discusses real issues in teaching, such as fairness, identity, and classroom relationships. And the third, this book develops critical awareness. It teaches readers that being a teacher is not only about teaching language, but also about making ethical and fair decisions. Even though the book is academic, the ideas inside are meaningful and useful for future teachers. Okay, this book values in English language teaching by Bill Johnston is a valuable textbook for English teachers and students. The book successfully explained that teaching English is closely connected with morality, values, and human relationships. Although the language is sometimes difficult and theoretical, the book provides important insights for becoming a better and more reflective teacher. Okay, guys, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Bye.